Welcome back to Cube Capital TV, the channel where we talk about business growth, funding opportunities, and financial strategies to help entrepreneurs build real wealth. Today, we're discussing a topic that has created millionaires across generations: commercial real estate funding. If you've ever wondered how investors acquire office buildings, apartment complexes, shopping centers, or warehouses, the answer usually comes down to one thing: access to the right funding. Let's break down how commercial real estate funding works and how you can position yourself to qualify. What is commercial real estate? First, let's define commercial real estate. Commercial real estate refers to properties that are used to generate income or business activity, such as apartment buildings, office buildings, retail centers, hotels, industrial warehouses, mixed-use developments. Unlike residential properties, commercial real estate is often valued based on its ability to produce income, not just its market value. That's why lenders focus heavily on cash flow and financial performance. Types of commercial real estate funding. There are several ways investors fund commercial real estate deals. 1. Traditional bank loans. These are offered by banks and credit unions. They typically require strong credit, significant down payments, and detailed financial documentation. 2. SBA loans. Programs like the SBA 504 loan are designed to help business owners purchase commercial property for their own operations. 3. Private and hard money lenders. These lenders often focus more on the property value and deal potential rather than strict credit guidelines. They can provide faster funding for investors. 4. Commercial real estate partnerships. Many investors partner with other investors who bring capital while they manage the deal and operations. Understanding these options allows investors to choose the funding strategy that fits their situation. What lenders look for when applying for commercial real estate funding? Lenders usually evaluate 4 major factors. First, your credit profile. Strong credit helps demonstrate financial responsibility. Second, the property's cash flow. Lenders want to know the property generates enough income to cover expenses and loan payments. Third, your down payment. Most commercial real estate loans require anywhere from 20% to 35% down. Fourth, your experience. Lenders prefer borrowers who understand real estate or have a team of professionals helping manage the investment. The stronger these areas are, the easier it becomes to secure funding. Strategies for new investors. If you're new to commercial real estate, start by focusing on 3 things: build your business and personal credit. Learn how to analyze income-producing properties, network with investors, brokers, and lenders. Commercial real estate is often a team sport, and strong partnerships can open doors to larger opportunities. Commercial real estate has the potential to generate long-term cash flow, property appreciation, and financial leverage when structured correctly. If you want to learn more about funding options, business credit, and investment strategies, make sure you subscribe to Cube Capital TV. And remember, the right knowledge and the right capital can turn opportunities into assets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Cube Capital TV.